Welcome to Cromwell Primary School, Cromwell. This is located in the South Island, New Zealand, and my name is Rajiv Sharma. I am the caretaker of the Cromwell Primary School. Apart from many of the other responsibilities and duties that I perform here, the main one is to operate and maintain the heating system. The heating system comprises of a furnace, as you can see, and ducting. The furnace is lit using coal, and this is the fuel. This is a blend of bituminous and lignite. This is in a ratio of 50 to 50. It's a good burning and heat generating fuel. So we take this fuel, we load it into this robotic hopper. This is the robotic coal fed hopper. Now the coal falls through gravity into the auger and is fed into the grit or into the grate, into the heart of the furnace. We also have a motor that activates the gearbox, and that feeds the coal at a rate of approximately 30 to 35, 37 strokes per minute. We also have a blower that blows the hot air or just air into the furnace to facilitate combustion. Now, the process is that first we clean the clinker and the ash out of the furnace. We put in a bit of kindling, some squeezed newspaper, diesel and coal. We light the fire. As you can see, the fire is well lit now. Now that the fire is well lit, it is pretty strong. Now I can close the hatch. I close the hatch, and then I go on and switch on the microprocessor controlled time switch. I put it on permanent on. It has 4 settings: permanent on, permanent off, manually operated, and running on time clock. So that's the switch, and now I'm going to turn it on to permanent on. Now, having said that this has been switched on, what we see here is a thermostat. The thermostat is set at 95 degrees centigrade, and it has a wee little sensor here. So this sensor senses the temperature inside the shell of the furnace, and here we have another switch. This is a switch which activates the air circulation fan. Now this switch is automatically activated once the temperature reaches 95 degrees centigrade. It is in 2 modes, the pull and the push. The push mode is the auto mode, and the pull mode, the pull mode is the auto mode, and the push is the manual. The manual mode is used when we need to check whether the fan is in good running condition or not. Once we know that the fan is in good running condition, we can pull the switch out and set it on to auto mode. Now that the furnace has been put running on time clock or permanent on, we will have to wait for at least about 10 minutes before it catches the fire, produces that much of a heat, so that the temperature reaches 95 degrees centigrade. As soon as the temperature reaches 95 degrees centigrade, we can hear the air circulation fan coming on. The air circulation fan is going to pull in the air from the window outside and push it between the hollow portion of the furnace from the inner as well as the outer chamber. And it circulates that and then pushes it through the ducting, and that leads it to the adjoining buildings. Well, that's all about it. And we have nice warm temperature in the rooms. The kids are happy, the teachers are happy, and everybody's happy. Everybody's happy on a winter's night, on a winter's day. Thank you.